Ooh. Oh, you feel it? Feel the Helluva Burn? Welcome back to the 5th 15-minute Afterburner Series, the smash and thrash short workouts. Get in, get it done, and get out. Today it's the Helluva Burn, and we've done that before in a smaller, shorter version. And one of my full-length workouts. Today we're going 15 minutes straight, 1-minute exercises. Every exercise is designed to just build that burn in the body so it's brutal to the end. If this is all the time you have for a workout, good for you. Smash it, get it done. We have no time for rest and transition breaks. We're going 15 minutes hard on the bell, start to finish, all the way through. If you want more time, rest after this, pick another 10-minute or 15-minute workout to pile on like Lego blocks, and you can build your own workout. But these are all nasty, so without any further delay, let's get right to it and get to the list and get to this workout. Okay, we're about to get going. You need 1 kettlebell or 1 dumbbell. I'm using a single 45-pounder today and then optional mat nearby for some of the core movements at the end. All these moves we've done before in my full workout series, so if they're question marks to you, get back and go learn something and then come into this and it'll be a lot more fluid. I'll try to coach as we go through if needed, but I'm always out of breath as well because I'm mic'd up and suffering with you guys in the gauntlet. So I'll do my best. Otherwise, let's get this going. It's 15 times 1-minute rounds on the beeps. And we start with our lunge pulses. That's always how our Helluva Burn starts off. 10-second lead in. Okay, so we're doing a left foot forward lunge pulse. That means we reference the ground. And we're in. It's just an up and down. Doesn't have to be fast. And I was called out by my superior coach, Karen Coate, and she called me out for a body squat. So make sure you don't think you're going up and down using the torso. It's got to be the legs. So high torso and legs do the work. Your eyes will be tricked by a good lean. Don't be a lean squatter. Make sure the legs do the work. And there's no pace or rep counting for this. You're just trying to survive the round. And that is brutal. I always forget how brutal until I'm into it. So maybe I should start focusing here. You can come up, take a quick little pulse out or flush out, and then try to get back in. So 2 minutes straight of lunge pulse, left foot forward, right foot forward. Hands on hips. You can put an ab mat under your knee to reference. And right on the beep, oh, quick flush, right foot, get in as fast as you can. And try to make the front leg do more work so you can give the back a little rest. And we're not coming up full height for this. We're down to floor, baby up. Oh, it sucks. Flush out, get back in. Just try to hang on and survive. 25 seconds. You will be shaking at the end of this. Losing balance. 10 seconds. And then we go right back to the left leg forward for split jumps. Not fun. Shake it out. Get the heavies out of you. Next side. Down, little jump, and it's not the body leaning forward, down, hop. We're not trying to go high, just have to leave the ground. Oh, the burn is unreal. Whew, this will be a good test on how well rested you are from the week. What have you done prior to this? I had to go run Bruce, of course. And I'm immediately feeling that and regretting these split jumps. 20 seconds. Woo, we're just doing our best. Oh, whoa. I can get 5 before I totally melt. Come on. Let's go. Come on. To the bell. Can't do it. Next side. Same thing. Knee touch ground, double foot jump. You can kind of lift on a back foot anchored if you want, but I don't think it's any easier. Ooh, ooh. My legs are shutting off already, not good. Come on, push-ups is next, so we get a little break from the legs, but that is the Helluva Burn theme right there. Whoa. Oh, total shutdown. Need more electrolytes. 20 seconds. I can just see Karen laughing at me. She's laughing. Oh, last one. Push-ups on the ground. Go right away. No time to stand around. If you know you need to elevate your push-ups, go do that. And I'm gonna go for a slow Sunday tempo. Ooh, so I don't fully hit the wall. Strict off the floor, chin out of the way, so your chest can actually hit the ground and up. If you can't do this, I don't want that rolling conditioning now. If you need to do it, fine. But I'd rather you up on a bench or couch. Okay. A single arm swing is next. Start with left first. Get your bell or dumbbell ready. We're in. Remember, hip hinge family. Lock. Second hand trails. The first. Load the hip. Drive. No squatting. We're going to try to go straight from one hand into the next. Chin is a good target. And after both swings, we're into squat row. Make your hips give the height, not the lifting with your arm. Arms a chain on a swing set. It's got no pull lifting power. Ready for the switch. And then we're gonna go right back to the left hand for the low squat row. Halfway. 15 seconds. Keep it going. Strong locked leg. You ready? Down. Get on top. Squat down until you can grip it. ISO lock the legs. And we're rowing with the left arm. No bracing. Hand behind back. Or floating fist squeezed in front. Super straight loaded back. Legs burning like you're in a wall sit. Ooh. Long arms means I don't have to get down as low for this. Oh. Don't move, don't come up with the row. Oh, flush next side. Going in. Toes are going exactly where or knees are pointing exactly where the toes are going. So no caving knee. Oh, this is a leg shutdown. Helluva Burn is happening. Quads are rock hard. Halfway. Oh, ooh, ooh. Keep going. There's no rest for quads after this. I'm buckling. One last rep. Come on. Okay, down into our beast position. Remember this, hands and knees. Knees hover, a little wider feet, and we're tapping. Shoulder taps. And you don't want the butt creeping up into the air. Oh, quads are on fire. I'm sure you feel this at home. Beast torsion taps. Oh, I'm dying. Dying. V-sits after this, thank goodness. Oh, get your mat ready in 10 seconds. Final burst. Okay, I'm just gonna go butt on the ground here. Oh, please. Weightless legs. Remember the V-sit. Hang on for dear life. This is still burning. Drop in, up. Mike. Extend luge position. Up to the V. Down, up. Nothing's full speed today. So we have to survive the clock. 20 seconds. Get some air back. Too much talking. And then we're into side kick throughs, or the kick sits if you want to be lazy and put your butt down. Self face camera. We've done these a ton. Got to go quick here. 12 o'clock, 9, 3 o'clock. Come through, through, through. And we're trying to hold that height off the floor. Kick sit means you can plunk your butt down each side. And we have another round of push-ups right after this. Bonus points for the high elbow, straight hand. 20 seconds. I tell you, my quads are not ready for this. Through. Okay, push-ups, and then keep your mat ready for the toe touch crunch. So push-ups again. I'm gonna stop talking, catch my breath. Oh, keep going, keep going. Over halfway. Full range of motion, none of this half rep stuff. It's way harder. Last 2 reps. Get your mat. Okay, on your butt again. The toe touch crunch. So start from the hollow, up, down, up, down. Legs are so heavy I can't even bring them up to touch. Whoa, whoa. And you know I saved a banger for the last round. Ooh. 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 Oh. If you want to make it a little easier, you can just pull the foot in low, like a weird little bicycle crunch. Oh, I'm trying to rest to get the good reps. Ooh. Any low back pain, you gotta stop. That means your core is giving out. And big jump squats or small jump squats after this. Here we go. Afterburner's on. I might clear the screen here. So at the very least, you want to go weightless. We want to try to clear some air and land into the legs. Don't be squatting with your upper body. Get honest and get floating. Handcuffed, even worse, because you don't have any arm momentum. Soft landing. Oh, it's got to leave the ground. 15 seconds. Oh, you feel it? Feel the hell of a burn? That was it. And we're finished. 15 rounds straight. So that's that. Catch your breath and then go pick another workout to go try to do. Or that's it for you today. Good job. Like, subscribe, share. Get your friends, family involved. Spouse, whatever it's got to be. Spread the word of fitness. I'll see you back for number 6.